Enter the photo page first. At the top, we can select different storage paths: internal, SD card, cloud disk. Click Select at the upper right corner. To conduct batch operation of the photos, we can select one or more photos, or select all. Select one picture, and see the bottom. The first one is Bluetooth transfer function. We can transfer photos to the mobile app through Bluetooth. Note that this function only supports Android phones. The second one is PDF report generation, which means we can generate a simple PDF report on the thermal camera. A click on PDF will bring you to the editing screen of the report, where we can input a title, a header, and some annotations. There are 3 templates available in the upper right corner. After editing, click the Generate button on the top right corner, and the report will be automatically saved to the specified path. The next function is photo categorization. We can move pictures to any album, create a new album, or select an existing album. The next function is uploading to the cloud disk. Before uploading, we need to connect the camera to Wi-Fi and log into your cloud service account to upload pictures directly. Confirm. We can see a cloud icon in the upper left corner of the photos after successful upload. Next is the cutting function, which allows you to cut pictures to the SD card. The last function is to delete. In addition to browsing pictures, we can also view videos, scan photo albums, and perform searches as well. Search for relevant name, time, tag and album name. To search the images,